Hi, it's your host Amanda presenting today's episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from abroad. Alain Buraimi Kannada Sangha celebrates 5th anniversary. Pranesh Kasturi Mulimani enrich Hasya Ranjana in Dubai. News headlines from Mangalore. Ramanath Rai UT Kadar's door-to-door election campaign goes on in full swing. Major political parties still sit on the fence over setting up of Mangalore Special Economic Zone. And in our superlative entertainment package, we have a Hindi patriotic number and a super hit Kannada song from Golden Oldies Memory Night held in Dubai and a Konkani song from Esther Show. News in detail. The 5th anniversary of Kannada Sangha of Alain Al-Buraimi was organized with colourful and vibrant cultural events at the Intercontinental Hotel on Friday, May 2nd. 5th anniversary of Kannada Sangha of Alain Al-Buraimi was organized with colourful and vibrant cultural events at the Intercontinental Hotel on Friday, 2nd May 2008. Grand Patron and CEO and MD of NMC Group, Dr. B.R. Shetty and Dr. J.R. Gangaramani were the chief guest, who was accompanied by special guest Dr. Chandra B.R. Shetty and Mrs. Shalini Gangaramani. President and past President of Karnataka Sangha Sharjah, Prabhakar Ambaltere and Ganesh Rai, along with the President of Mogavira Sangha Dubai, Lokesh Putran, were the guests of honor and were felicitated. As a part of the anniversary celebrations, the achievers were felicitated, and on this occasion, Amina, Best Teacher, Kavya Joshi, Best Student, were felicitated by Badrinath and Dr. Kumar on behalf of the Sangha. Sangha has been implementing innovative programs this year, and book distribution is one among them and was inaugurated by the chief guests on this auspicious day. One of the missions of the Sangha is to help its members in distress, and in accordance with that, the Sangha rendered financial support for families of Koragappa Nayak bypass surgery and Purushottama accident. As a mark of recognition and to motivate the younger generation, awards were given to Sodhana Nayak, CBSE topper, and Sachin Nayak, shuttle badminton. The sponsors and the chief guests were all felicitated by the organizing committee. The entertainment were very classic and full of variety and colour. The quiz about Karnataka added attraction, so was Malay folk dance, which was the pick of the day. Organizing committee comprising of KB Ramesh, Shankar Kotian, Sujaya Kotian, Jagannath, Firoz Khan, Mahesh G and SVB Kishore and the volunteers organized the events and programs in a very professional way and received kudos from the large Kannadiga crowd. Firoz Khan and Savita Nayak were the masters of ceremony. SVB Kishore proposed vote of thanks. In another event in Dubai, a humorous program was organized by the Kannada Koota UAE, a prominent group working for the unity of Kannadigas in the UAE, on Friday, May 2nd at the Richmond Hotel, Bar Dubai. A humorous program was organized by the Kannada Koota UAE, a prominent group working for the unity of Kannadigas in the UAE, on Friday, May 2nd at Richmond Hotel, Bar Dubai. There were 3 guest artists from Karnataka who performed during the event. Pranesh of the Gangavati Beach Eye fame, R.T. Arun Kumar, a well-known artist from Davangere, and budding TV artist Kasturi Mulimani were present to exhibit their talents. The program was coordinated by Aruna Mutungadur, President of Kannada Koota, and Irana Molimani, a noted Kannada poet in the UAE. The program Hasya Ranjana carried on for about 3 hours and entertained the crowd of more than 300 Kannadigas. The program commenced with traditional devotional song by Chaitra. Aruna Mutungadur welcomed the crowd. Bhagya Sadan Das and Mallikarjun were the compeers of the program. Sarvottam Shetty, President of Abu Dhabi Karnataka Sangha, Prabhakar Ambaltere, President of Sharjah Karnataka Sangha, were some of the many dignitaries present on the occasion. Traditional Nada Geete was sung by the Kannada Koota members, a break dance for the Kannada tune by Shravan and Rajat, a solo dance by Aishwarya Gajare from a Kannada song entertained the public. Kasturi Mulimani, a budding artist in the Kannada TV industry, compared the stage in her own way. Her wit of presenting the simple jokes in the typical North Karnataka style took everybody to the world of total laughter. The crowd waited for this particular man, Pranesh, inspired by the noted Kannada humorist B. Chai. He presented many of the Kannada topics in his own style. He enticed the crowd with his own style of presenting humor. He explained how two typical Kannada words could give an entire different meaning if they are altered. The crowd enjoyed beyond their limits as long as Pranesh kept on continuing the humorous presentations. Words can never beat this method of presenting the topic. Only a few days are left for the forthcoming assembly elections, but this time around, owing to the strike measures issued by Election Commission, candidates are left with no option than visiting each house of their constituency for election campaign. Congress candidate for Mangalore constituency UT Kadar and Bantwal candidate Ramanath Rai were caught on camera while campaigning for the election in their respective constituencies. We have an exclusive report on this.
ಒಂದೇ ರೇಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊರ್ರಾತ್ ಪಾಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲು ಕೊರ್ರಾತ್ ಒಂದು ರೋಡ್ ಸರಿ ಕೊರ್ರಾತ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇದಾಲ ಎನ್ನಂತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅದು ಕೊರಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಒಂದು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುವಂಥ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವಂತ ಧೈರ್ಯ ನಮಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶನ SEZ, PPRI ವಿವಿಧ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಥ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಯೋಜನೆ ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ರೈತರಿಗೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಜನರಿಗೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅವರ ಹಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪದ್ರ ಆಗುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ವಿರೋಧಿಸುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ತಾಲೂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಾನು ಈ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಿಂದ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದವನು. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರಾಜಕೀಯವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದವನು. ಉಳಿದವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡುವವರು ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಜನ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಜನನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಊರಿನವರು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ಬಂಟ್ವಾಳ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಜನ ಅದರ ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತರು ರಮನಾಥರನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡವರು, ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಟ್ಟವರು, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದವರು. ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವರು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, BJP ಗೆಲ್ಲಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
Mangalore Special Economic Zone became the topic for discussion at a meeting between leaders and representatives of political parties at the office bearers of Nagarika Seva Trust at Town Hall in Mangalore on Monday, May 4th morning. Mangalore Special Economic Zone became the topic for discussion at a meeting between leaders and representatives of political parties at the office bearer of Nagarika Seva Trust at Town Hall in Mangalore on Monday, May 4th morning. What was supposed to be a discussion on election-related topics turned out to be more of a session on MSEZ. Spokespersons of BJP, Congress and district heads of CPI, BSP and JDU spoke for 15 minutes and answered the 5 questions posed by the Samiti. All the parties were to make their stand clear on MSEZ. Congress spokesman MG Hegde, BJP leader Shankar Bhatt, BSP leader Girish Rai and JDU state president Kote Vasant Kumar and CPI district secretary M. Sanjeeva opposed the setting up of MSEZ.
ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ದಂಧೆಯಾಗಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಭಾವವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ವಿರೋಧ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಚುನಾವಣಾ ನೀತಿ ಸಂಹಿತೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದು ಅತಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಹೇಗೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ 50 ಕಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
That was what we had in today's news section. Today, we have some superb entertainment for you all. But before we get into the enchanting world of entertainment, we will take a short commercial break. We will be right back, so stay tuned.
Apurva for apt life.
Blessing and honor, glory and power be unto the Ancient of Days. From every nation, all of creation, bow before the Ancient of Days.
Inland builders have been a pioneer in the creation of ultra-modern residential and commercial development in Mangalore and Bangalore. With ongoing projects in Mangalore like Inland Ornate, Inland Avenue, Inland Eminence, Inland Evoke, Premium Luxury Apartments, Kankanadi, Mangalore, and in Bangalore, Inland Everglades, Inland Ilanza. Shortly, Inland Builders are launching Mangalore's first international standard apartment complex at Mary Hill Airport Road, Mangalore, known as Inland Windsors. A modern grand structure of 23 floors, 230 super luxury apartments with facilities like garbage chute, multi-purpose hall with shuttle and squash court, supermarket, jogging track, table tennis, gym, swimming pool, TV room, etc. Bookings open. Inland Builders, Mangalore, phone 2496110.